In today's investment landscape, a diverse portfolio with physical gold is crucial. At the United States Gold Bureau, we simplify gold investment by creating tailored portfolios aligned with your goals. Our customers enjoy tracking their portfolio investments with our portfolio tracker. Our strategy emphasizes diversification, balancing bullion and investment-grade coins. While bullion's value fluctuates with the market, investment-grade coins are less vulnerable to external forces, offering stability. Your specific mix should reflect your resistance to risk, your investment deadline, and your investment philosophy. We specialize in acquiring rare coins like the Gold Eagle Proof 70 sets, ensuring their exclusivity and value. When you invest with us, your gold is securely delivered to your doorstep, guaranteeing direct physical possession. Not sure of the balance of risk you have in your portfolio? Take our portfolio quiz and let us help you achieve your investment goals in confidence and privacy.